As anyone who knows us can attest, this weekend has been a long time coming.
Whether you traveled from across the country or just down the road, it means so much that you made the time and effort to be here for our wedding weekend.
Whether you've been a part of our lives for years or for decades, it really does take a village. So thank you all again for being here tonight and always to help us reach this milestone.
It took a little while for you two to get rolling. But look at the life that you've built already together. The root of love, ahava, is hav, to give. In other words, when the other's happiness means more to us than our own, then we know that we really love that person. I've heard and seen this deep love you each have in giving to one another, in loving one another, that truly makes you beshert.
Hana and Brad, I don't feel the need to give you any words of marital wisdom here. I see you two together often and can plainly see that your relationship already has what it takes for enduring marital happiness.
Marriage is a beautiful journey. It's about sharing dreams, standing by each other through challenges, and finding joy in the little moments. Remember always to laugh together, support each other, and cherish every day.
Hana, thank you for making every moment of these 8 years magical beyond imagination. Whatever the next 80 holds, I'm lucky I get to discover it with you.
For Mr. and Mrs. Brad and Hana.
Here's to a lifetime of love, friendship, great health, and happiness. We love you both.